welcome to my channel Viksi. Now I will talk about the hair brushes, the styling brushes. So I just want, when I do my hair, like to be ready on our max with the wash and the blow dry and the makeup and be out of the house, because I don't want to get up so early in the morning and spend like 2-3 hours doing my makeup and hair. That's way too much every day and I'm so busy, so I really don't have the time. Okay, this is the hairstyle. It is perfect for a wedding, for a prom, for a special occasion. So this is how it looks like. I look terrible with this color, and look at the color, it looks so beautiful. So if you want to see what's gonna happen with my experiment, just keep watching my video. Right. Pahonta. Poka. I can't see what I'm doing, so you're gonna have to say if it's good or not.
Yeah.
Stick it in there, baby. Okay. Right, I'm getting ready to go to hunt. So we need some. Oh, what does need more? We're running out of feathers. Okay, let's see. Beautiful hairstyle. Perfect for hunting for the winter. Let's see what your mom will say. We have to take video of her face when she sees me. Give it a thumbs up.